Most people get this wrong. They assume Liberty QuickCash is just another payday loan app with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers fast, reliable cash advances with clear repayment terms and flexible scheduling. Here's how it works. Liberty QuickCash allows users to request a small advance on earned wages. The approval process is fast, often under a few hours, and the funds are deposited directly into your bank account. Before borrowing, the app shows exactly how much you owe and when the payment is due, helping you avoid surprises. A standout feature is its easy-to-read dashboard. You can track repayment progress, upcoming obligations, and account history in one place. This gives users more control over their short-term finances and helps prevent late fees. However, the downside is clear. Overusing QuickCash for non-essential spending can lead to fees piling up. It's best for emergencies or planned short-term expenses, not everyday purchases. Tips for responsible use. 1. Borrow only what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders to stay on top of repayments. 3. Use the app's tracking features to monitor spending. Who benefits most? People with regular income who occasionally need fast cash. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face additional costs. In conclusion, Liberty QuickCash in 2026 is practical, fast, and transparent, but only when used wisely. Treat it as a safety net for emergencies, track your repayments carefully, and plan spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and practical financial tips.